Currently, brokers have also developed. Currently, brokers have also developed their softwares. Their softwares which are linked to the ATS, and their customers have been given the access. Their customers have been given the access. Accordingly, customers එතන දාගන්න within bracket investors කියලා. Customers of broker firms can instruct brokers to buy or sell shares by reviewing ATS data. Right, that is how this automated trading system will work. So if they ask, you should be able to explain how the process will happen. System, it's a ERP. Will match. There are certain rules they have coded into the ERP. Based on that, they will match. There is a buy order for 100, sell order for 80. එතකොට buy order එකේ කියනවා අපි 80ක් තිබ්බොත් ගන්නෙ නෑ අපිට 100ම ඕන කියලා. 100 stock parcel එකක්. එතකොට buy order එකේ දාන condition එක match වෙන්නේ නැත්නම් 80 එකට match කරන්නේ නැහැ. Right, for example, let's say there is a sell order for 80. මෙතන තියෙනවා buy order එකක් 100. හැබැයි buy order එකේ condition එකක් මෙයා දානවා full 100 required කියලා. මෙයාට price එක අපි හිතමු 50 rupees at price. මෙයාත් 50 වලට මේක විකුණන්න තියෙනවා. But system will not match these two because they want 100 shares in total. ඒ වගේ conditions ලියන්න පුළුවන්. So based on the conditions and rules, the system will work. So that is the role of the CDS and the Colombo Stock Exchange in combination of CSC and CDS, they will run this operation. Right. Now those are are the basics of the securities regime. Now you know how the securities regime will work in Sri Lanka. Apex body is Colombo Securities and Exchange Commission, and they have certain responsibilities, they have objectives, they have functions and duties. Then under them there is a license to run a stock exchange for the Colombo Stock Exchange. That is a guarantee company. Colombo Stock Exchange is vested with the power to run the stock exchange. So ඒගේ ඒගොල්ලන්ගේ කාර්යභාරය මොනවද කියලා අපි කතා කරා. Then when they are doing that task, running the stock exchange, they need this IT support. In that IT support, they will provide through the CDS, Central Depository System, which acts like a bank to hold the shares. එතකොට මේක සිද්ධ වෙන ERP system එකට අපි කියනවා ATS, Automated Trading System. So those are the things, basics we need to know. Then let's move on to the next area. Now we need to think about, let's say you are the CFO or someone in a decision making level of a private company. Now you have a fair understanding of how the security or the stock market and the system will work in Sri Lanka. You need to decide whether should we go for listing or should we not go for listing, or we have to wait like a private company, or whether we need to go out in the market. මේ decision එක ගන්න ඕන you to analyze what are the advantages of listing and disadvantages of listing, right? This is A-level commerce subject, business studies. ලයිස්තුගත කිරීමේ වාසි මොනවද අවාසි මොනවද? Right? Now, can you write down list of advantages, disadvantages in a table? Make it දාලා තියෙන ටික බලන්න නැතුව ඕගොල්ලෝ ලියන්න බලන්න. ටියුට් එකේ තියෙන එක බලන්න නැතුව ටේබල් කරන් ලියන්න advantages and disadvantages of listing. දැන් තාම අපි ටියුට් එක බලලා නැහැනේ. බලන්න නැතුව ලියන්න. ඔළුවට එන්නේ මොනවද? අපේ පරණ knowledge එකෙන්. A level වල හරි වෙන AAT වල හරි කොහෙදී හරි කරපු knowledge එකෙන් ඇයි අපි කරන්නේ කියලා. සහ ඒකේ තියෙන risk මොනවද? Then later we can compare the list given in the tute.